What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. So I made a community post a while back on the channel. So if anybody doesn't know what that is, it's actually a post where I can post a picture and put a comment or something on it, and everybody that's subscribed to the channel can actually see it. So I posted a community post a while back and said that I'm trying to up the quality of the videos on the channel. So that's been a big goal of mine, just trying to get better at shooting and everything. So I've been shooting with a Canon 60 and a GoPro Hero 7 for a while. And I've just been, trying to shoot videos with those. And I would get back to going to edit them, and I would just see things that I didn't like. So for example, on the Canon 6D, it doesn't have autofocus. So it's really hard for me to grab focus, especially when I'm trying to vlog. Trying to grab focus on my face. If I'm moving around or transfer, to the car and then back to me, it just doesn't focus. So I have to reshoot it, and it's just a big hassle. So I didn't like that when editing those videos. So then on the GoPro, I didn't like the colors, and it just looked too, you could tell it was a GoPro. It just didn't have the natural colors. It had that weird GoPro colorization to it, and the wide angle lens, it just didn't look great to me. So I actually picked up a iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's what I'm filming this on right now. So I got one of those as a new phone recently, and with that, it has a 48 megapixel camera. It shoots 4K in 30 FPS and 60 FPS. And in the cinematic mode, it does 4K in 24 and 30 frames per second. I just nerded out a little bit. Sorry about that. So if y'all don't know what it means, it's just the higher quality picture. So that's a really good camera. So I just wanted to shoot a video and see if this is actually a quality option to shoot YouTube videos on. It's my phone, so I'm going to have it in my pocket at all times. I'm going to have it with me no matter where I am, and I can just, use it and film a video. It's easier to carry around. I'll still have my camera take pictures and stuff, but this just seems like a valuable option to film videos on. So I just wanted to use it and see if the quality of video is as good as people have say it is, and if I can use it as a vlogging camera / making, YouTube videos. So today's video, we're going to just, film the car a little bit like I would be if I was at a car show or something, or if I was, just making a YouTube video, making a tutorial about installing what parts I got, installing them, everything else. So let's jump in, and we're going to film a quick video, B-roll of the car. And this is me talking into the camera right now. And I'll show it in a little bit what all I bought to use as a viable option to film this on the iPhone. So I got a couple of accessories to go along with it just to make the recording process easier and better as far as audio and stuff. So we'll get into that in a little bit, but let's jump over to the car and just film some B-roll of it and see how it looks. All right, so there's the B-roll all filmed with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So it actually has an action mode when you're filming that you can actually turn on, and it's pretty much in-camera stabilization. So it holds the shot very steady. So it looks like you have a gimbal or, you know, just a stabilizer. So it's very smooth. So that's actually really nice. All right. So as far as the accessories go, I have a Ulanzi little tripod that I bought off Amazon. I'll link it down in the description below. It comes with a little phone clip holder. So you just attach that to the tripod and then it'll hold your phone. So I have that as using it as a tripod slash selfie stick, whatever you want to call it, to be able to film this part of the video. Also with that, I bought a microphone, and it's like a lav mic. It clips onto my shirt. You can see it right here. Clips onto my shirt, and it comes with 2 mics. And then all it does is plug into the end of your iPhone where a phone charger would plug into, and it's Bluetooth. So you can connect it wirelessly and use it anywhere you want. And you don't have to hold a mic, don't have to attach a mic to the phone or anything. So it's very nice. So, and you can tell it's hidden. So you really couldn't tell if I didn't have a hoodie on, you could probably see it, but it's under my hoodie right now. So it's very hidden and it's discreet. It's not hard to wear. So that's really nice. So it just plugs into the end of your iPhone where you charge it, and then you clip this onto wherever you want to talk. And this is the audio coming straight from it. So that's another accessory I have. I'll link it down below in the description. It was only like $30. So I didn't know, it's not really a name brand that I know of, but it sounds pretty good quality to me. So those are the 2 accessories I bought to go with the iPhone to be able to film these videos. So that's going to do it. But let me know down in the comments if y'all think this is a viable option to use going forward as something that I could film with or make YouTube videos, or if you even use it as a viable option to make YouTube videos. I think the quality is great. The autofocus is good, unlike the Canon 6D that I tried to use for videos. The colors look well. I can color grade it in post, make it look usable. It just seems, and I'm always going to have it on me. Like I said earlier, it's always going to be in my pocket. I'm going to take it wherever I go. I mean, it's always going to be there, so it's nothing I have to carry along with me. Now, I'd love to have a nicer camera, but this is something I'm going to have with me every single day. So using it as an option to actually film YouTube videos and just film quality content, that's a plus. So let me know down in the comments if y'all like the video coming from this and if y'all use it as your camera. But that's going to do it. So hope to see you guys soon. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. We're trying to grow. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year. Trying to be more consistent at putting out content. You know, the winter's months are kind of going away, and spring and summer is going to be coming around. So we're going to be going to more car shows and making more videos about that stuff. So hopefully I got some more stuff getting done to the car here soon. So, but appreciate y'all stopping by. Hope y'all have a good day.